She is.
Hey guys, been a minute.
Okay.
But we are vlogging today as a fam bam. How exciting! And you know whose idea it was? This guys. We have not vlogged in a minute because we just don't be doing a lot. And trying to get better with that. Anywho, so we are currently, oh, first of all, Eddie got a new car. The Jeep is gone. Quick story time, it was hit and the person tried to run and it was totaled. So we had to get another car. So now we have two new cars. So we're grateful for that, but still we didn't plan that. So currently on our way to our pastor slash friend, homie, his son's pre-prom party. Telling Camila that growing up it was champagne for me, and then it was like pre-prom, but now his says prom send-off. So I don't know. Either way, that's where we're going. There's Camila. Y'all already saw Eddie. I probably won't vlog over there because it's his actual home, and I'm sure, you know, being a pastor and having a congregation and whatnot, he may not want it for everyone to know where he resides, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, and then plus I gotta take, well, I'm supposed to take pictures of, that's the same car you're in? No. I'm supposed to take pictures of his son, so we'll see how that goes. I brought my camera, so I'm vlogging and, wait, I turn this off. Vlogging and bringing this. Oh, and then afterwards, that we gotta rush to me and Eddie's cousins, well, all of our cousins, pre-prom party. So 2 prom parties today at the same time. One is in a whole different city than the other, obviously. So they both start at the same time. So this is gonna be interesting. So we're on the way now. So there's that. And I shall be back. I'll probably vlog at our cousin's pre-prom party if I'm able to see her off and all that jazz. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. We're gonna enjoy some music.
Bro, all right. This braid, man. I'm gonna cut it off.
It's kind of long. It's all mine. Anywho, obviously I couldn't get any type of footage because it was hard, because I didn't have the correct lens. If you know about lenses, then you know that, like, I didn't have a wide lens, which I should have had a wide lens. So I didn't have enough space. I had to back all the way up, and then when they came out, I don't know how good the picture's gonna come out, but you know, it's just doing a favor. So thank God it wasn't paid, because I wouldn't deserve the money.
You get a lot of videos?
I got a lot of pictures, but are they good?
Upstairs?
No, we were just right in the front part. They had like a little softbox light for pictures, but I didn't have the right lens. I should have my other lens. I don't know what that lens is at. And also, I met someone.
You met another person?
Lady approached me and was like, "You look familiar. Instagram?" I said, "Yes." Because last time someone approached me, because you know, I ain't know Jackie.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Very good. I ain't know Jackie Ina, so if I go out, I don't expect that at all. So it always catches me off guard, and I was telling Eddie that. But anyway, that's nice, you know. We're on our way to our cousin's pre-prom. Hers is, I know, hopefully don't leave by the time we get there.
You know where their prom is at?
Irvine.
That's driving out a week.
I guess prom starts at what, 8? How far is that though from their house, approximately?
An hour.
So like mileage wise, what do you think, like 30 miles? Dang. So give or take, their prom is about 40 miles from their house.
2 dudes that had a date.
I wonder why you didn't have a date.
Yeah.
Cause what? You don't mean bring
date.
beach to the sand? Beach to the sand? Beach to the sand?
What?
What? Do what?
You don't bring
You don't do what?
you don't bring sand to the beach? You did have a date.
I know. I said.
Oh.
I wish I. No.
You said you wish you didn't.
It probably would be fun. Like just.
I was with
homies.
me and my yes. No, I said I was with me and my friends too. But since my date was actually my boyfriend, so it was different, you know what I mean? Boyfriend at the time. his date was his girlfriend at the time too, so.
But I didn't say that. You did.
Eddie, that was like 20 years ago.
So Camila said she knows.
Camila's going to prom. It's gonna be exciting.
I can hear you.
You take Biscuit.
No! I am not taking no dog to prom.
Wow.
No dog.
Wow.
So
That's cool. I'm gonna tell your brother you said that.
Okay, tell me you understand me. I'm talking.
Eddie, go back and do the pose again for the vlog. For the vlog.
It's very serious. It's like the 12 days of Patterson or something.
Oh my gosh.
You know, like you gotta get it where you fit. And then after
12 days of Paris.
and then after that, they do like some like community service stuff without the people. And then Kwanzaa happened.
Not Kwanzaa. Going to eat. That's my little going to eat.
Olive gluten.
Olive gluten. Westview. So we just finished lunch at Fox Hills Mall. I got something from H&M, just like a little blouse. I'm trying to do more color. And Cynthia and Haskell are somewhere. We're gonna be leaving soon because Camila went with their daughter to go skate. So we just took advantage of going out to eat while they're out having girl time. She's older though, but you know. Yeah, TV and everything. So I am in the car now. We got Camila. She had a good time with her aka big sister. They went and got Panda Express and some type of ice cream stuff. And all I had was, I don't want to say all, but I had salmon and broccoli and I didn't finish it. So I really want some dessert. So we are at McDonald's. Because I want some ice cream and some chocolate chip cookies. So I'm in line for that. You know, like I ate good today, you know what I mean? So, anywho, I have to film for a brand today. It's actually due tomorrow, but I'm trying to see if I can get an extension because I am exhausted. Y'all know my Sundays are just insane. So I'm gonna end here. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog, but I am going home to enjoy. And we're gonna pass out because I'm tired. So, yeah. Happy Memorial Day, guys. Happy Memorial Day. Eddie is here. Camila is in the back. Camila. Y'all know how they are at the very beginning of the vlog. You know, I try to vlog on days like this because it's rare that all three of us are together because, you know, we're all grown and we have our own lives. Well, not Camila. We're not all grown. Camila's birthday is in 2 days, so she's gonna be the big one for, oh my god, she's getting old, which means we're getting old, so keep us lifted in your prayers. So on today, because it is her birthday and she's also a straight A student, Camila, straight A's. Straight A student, so we're gonna go to her favorite place. She's not feeling the greatest right now, so we're gonna go to her little cafe that y'all see us go to pretty often. Well, me and Camila. Eddie thinks it's whack. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm gonna try to combine like a month or a month and a half worth of footage together, because I know a lot of people say they like longer vlogs. Because I'll throw up a 15-minute vlog and be like, all right, see y'all in the next vlog, but I'm trying to keep it a little bit longer. It's a possibility that we may go to Disneyland on this week for 2 days. Invitation, we'll see, because we ain't heard nothing back. So if that's the case, I'll put that in there. So that should be fun. Well, y'all see next clip, if there is a next clip. All right, bye. Eddie didn't get any food. What are you gonna eat? You don't want anything to eat? Okay, later. We come here, which is my favorite place. Well, her favorite place too, right? And then he don't want to eat. He don't want to eat nothing. What did she say, Camila?
She recognized her name.
And what did she say about my age?
That she looks young.
So I gave her a tip. We have to leave because we are headed to the vitamin shop because Camila is not feeling the greatest. And so I'm gonna get her these little like homeopathic, y'all know I'll be taking medicine like that, so get these little homeopathic meds so she can feel better. So yeah, we're here, gonna go inside. I'm not gonna look at the camera because I don't want people looking at me like I'm crazy. So I'll be right back. This man would rather have this. No, don't, like, it's not bad, but over what we had, like a cafe experience, he would rather have Dunkin' Donuts. There she is. Oh, I'm not feeling good.
Yes, can I get a medium cold brew?
Okay.
With the, oh yeah, with the sweet cream foam.
Okay.
And can I get the, you guys still have the sausage and egg cheese?
You said a sausage, egg, and cheese?
Yeah.
Alright, did you want it on a croissant, English muffin, or bagel?
English muffin. Thank you. Bet you if I ask for a straw, they'll give me one.
Oh, I didn't tell y'all. So we were outside after he handed us our food at the other place. And I asked him for a straw. And he was like, do you mind going inside and getting it? Pretty much, can you go get yourself? Cause he said we're really busy right now, so Eddie didn't like that. I get it. I'm being biased because I like the place, and I've actually talked to him before, so I know he's nice. He probably just overwhelmed. Maybe he'll be overwhelmed, but I see where Eddie's coming from too, because he was like, Starbucks wouldn't do that. They give you a straw. Started. You excited?
Yep.
All right. So we have some cookies. Sorry. Nobody back here.
You let me down for cause when I look at you, I feel something that you're right about it. I should make a move on. And you're I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. So true, there ain't no other for me, only you.
Disneyland again for day 2.
I have noticed that.
It's pretty packed, pretty crowded. I don't know if y'all can see.
We went on 2 rides already, and it was a good wait time.
Yeah, not too bad. We have fast passes, so that's good. So now we're just waiting for food. We're gonna get some chicken tenders. We're at the Stage Door Cafe. And everybody's on their phones because they're so exciting. And we'll probably go to California Adventure later today. Y'all not tired, though. Hey guys, so we're at Knott's today. We've been on a few rides. The girls are back on Ghost Rider. We had just got off, but they want to go back. A couple of the rides are like down today at us. We have the little fast pass.
Some of the best rides are down.
Huh?
Some of the best rides are down.
Yeah, some of the best rides are down. And then once they get off, we're gonna go eat and whatnot. Everybody been looking at my shirt because it says Slauson, Crenshaw, La Brea, Overhill, all the cool streets in LA. But yeah, so my voice is pretty much shot. And we chilling. We got our Crocs on. I'm hot, but I'm getting a sun tan, which is what I wanted to get. Other than that, oh, and Eddie, we can look at our pictures because Eddie be sneaking his cell phone on the rides. I'm gonna insert some footage of him. Save it for me so I can, okay?
That's it. That's a little different right here. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is a little different right here. Oh. This is a little different right here. This is a little different. But we still going. We still going though. It's too late. That was. What y'all crying about? What are you crying about? What the? That was nothing. What is this? What is this? That's it.
So yeah, are you guys enjoying us?
Yes.
We're about to eat. Thank you. Berry punch. I've never tried it before.
You like that boysenberry?
I'm gonna get that open.
I hope it doesn't taste like medicine. I'm talking to you, sir. I'm talking to you. Gracias.
Got that boysenberry. Like that was
Bad.
2 minutes.
They give me a lot of freaking onion rings.
Oh, you guys can eat.